What's up, guys? This is Yardman TX. I'm going to, this is Thursday afternoon. May the 10th. I'm sorry, April the 10th. I'm trying to rush it. April the 10th. I'll probably do another cut in my yard. It's not too bad. Excuse the appearance of this storage house. It's very bad. I need shelves. I need to organize. I need to take everything out and reorganize it. But I don't have the shelves right now, so it is what it is. Be nice to have a company that has some shelves so I can get this stuff up out of the way. Be more organized, but it is what it is. I'm thankful to have a shed. Tough shed. It's good quality, but I think this broke off, and for some reason they say they offer a lifetime, repair, but I've called them and they have not came out yet. I have the handle over here, somewhere over here. Oh, it is. It just came off. It broke right off. I don't know if I could glue it on there, if it'll stay or not. I doubt it. But yeah, tough shed. Didn't honor their warranty. It's already paid off. And there's another problem. Not trying to bash them, but they just didn't honor this vent over here cracked because of the sun, and I told them about it, and they never came out to replace it. Send them pictures like they wanted me to, but nobody ever came out. So I don't know if I call them again, what they'll do or not. But just putting it out there. Okay, so here is my Troy built lawnmower. I got it at Home Depot. It's probably 3 or 4 years old. It cuts very well. But today what I'm going to do is clean it and check the blade. I know it needs to be replaced. I do have a sharpener, but I'd rather just replace the blade instead of trying to sharpen it. But right now I'm just going to clean it, the deck, and check the oil. I didn't clean it last time I washed it.